First, confirm that all voltages are within 1 volt of each other and reasonably charged. We highly recommend you charge each battery separately till they're completely full. Now press and hold to turn off all batteries before connecting. All LEDs should be off. Install the 2 terminating resistors carefully. The first and last battery should have them only. Install the RVC communication cables afterwards. Please take your time aligning the cable connectors in the battery communication ports before screwing them on. Failure to do so may result in no battery communication or damage. Install the power cables. Make sure all batteries are off. Please install our Go Power Connect app before continuing. Open the app and remain on the first screen. Press and hold the button. Release once all LEDs are lit. Press the plus icon on the top right. You will enter the Add Device screen. Pair to the topmost battery device. The connecting battery will begin flashing. Press the power button once the app pop-up appears. Our batteries were previously configured so this screen appeared. We will enter the default screen for first-time users with unconfigured batteries. Select combinations of both. Please keep track of each battery you have by pressing Indicate. The battery will blink fast. Track each battery's unique source, address 8F8D, etc. This will be helpful for the setup for each battery. Now with each battery tracked, let's configure each battery by selecting Setup. Each battery needs to be in unique battery instance, order doesn't matter. Only one battery needs to be a master or main. We recommend to choose the one you initially connected to. Use Indicate to help determine. Batteries in series must have the matching series string value, otherwise they're interpreted as parallel. Let's set up our initially connected battery. This paired battery is already a main and has the proper first series string. Let's configure the battery instance to be unique. Press the logo to return to the battery setup list screen. Let's set up our third battery in the second series string. Let's set up our fourth battery in the second series string. Let's recap what we set up. We matched the series strings with the batteries that are in their own series connection. We set all batteries to have unique battery instances. Order does not matter. We set our initially connected battery to be the main priority. Here's the final parameters for 2 series in 2 parallel setup. Once all batteries are set up, change the DC instance to 1. Now press load system and everything is complete. We have the proper capacity and voltage as expected for 2 series into 2 parallel.